Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook whole trout. First, ensure your trout is meticulously cleaned and gutted. This means removing all internal organs, gills, and scales. Then, pat the fish completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Finally, season both the inside cavity and the exterior generously with your favorite salt, freshly ground pepper, and aromatic herbs like dill or parsley. To infuse your trout with incredible flavor, gently stuff the cavity with aromatics. Think bright lemon slices, sprigs of fresh dill or thyme, and a few crushed garlic cloves. For added moisture and richness, you can also tuck in a few thin slices of butter or drizzle a teaspoon of good quality olive oil inside. Remember not to overstuff the fish. Leave enough space for the heat to circulate evenly, ensuring a perfectly cooked result. There are several fantastic ways to cook whole trout. Pan frying is excellent for a crispy skin, taking about 8 to 10 minutes total over medium-high heat. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. A 2-pound fish will be ready in 15 to 20 minutes. For a delightful smoky flavor, grilling is a superb option, requiring just 3 to 5 minutes per side over medium heat. Choose the method that best suits your preference and equipment. Knowing when your trout is perfectly cooked is key. The flesh should appear opaque throughout and flake easily when gently tested with a fork. For precise results, an instant-read thermometer inserted into the thickest part should register 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, carefully transfer the delicate fish to a serving platter. Garnish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped parsley for a beautiful presentation, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.